This is the pressure hose for Dextro pressure washers, Lutian, Ancor, some models of CVS, some models of Daewoo. This is a special high quality pressure hose that we get made over here. The hose is imported. This connector is made here locally. This length is particularly of 8 meters, being sent to a customer on 18th December 2023. It can easily fit in the gun. This is the gun of Jasco pressure washers. You can see both the connectors are of the same type. This is the other connector. It also is fitting perfectly. You can order this pressure hose from us, Orion Engineering Company, on our Facebook page and our YouTube channel. Thank you.